Flood escape. Flood escape. Where are you?
Are you gonna join, Dennis? Dennis, are you
I'm
joining?
not even in your server,
Join my server.
bro.
Oh yeah, by the way,
Flood escape.
imagine not having a gravity coil.
I have it.
Okay, good for you. I have a
Good.
gravity
I
coil.
think I have it. I think I remember having it. Flood
Yeah, I have
escape.
gravity coil.
Flood escape.
Join me. Join me. Join me. Join.
Where are you? You're not. I'm not in your
Bonjour.
server again.
What? Is my server full or something?
No, I
Gotta
can't
be at
join.
least.
I click on your profile, join your server, join the wrong server.
Bro, I was about to do a 360
I'm
on this
trying
guy,
to-
no
this is
scope
the last
headshot,
time
and
I'm
this guy
trying to
shot
join your
me.
server. Alright?
Get
It's
poo
just-
poo.
Okay, you made it in. Let's go.
I got 300,
Yeah, let's go.
bro. I'm so good.
Ow!
You have 3
I hate
wins. I have
this.
16.
Freaking
I'm
most of
not.
that sucks.
I don't actually have a gravity coil. Let's do.
Let's play hard. Let's play hard. Let's do hard. Hard. Join hard.
I did!
Yeah, bro, click hard.
Good. All right,
Okay,
we're doing hard.
Okay. Oh, this hard is hard. That's what I remember. Hard.
Apex.
Hard is hard. Hard is hard. Wow.
It's like falling down
Never
the stairs.
thought that could happen.
I know.
Dude, I'm playing Apex Legends like a pro. I got 6 kills.
Let's go
God.
this way.
Hard is hard.
Hard is hard, and your fart is fard. If you're a gamer
hate this
pro
gun.
like me, you
It's
can
so
make this
bad.
jump.
You blocked my vision!
He died. He
You blocked
died
my
like a
freaking
noob.
vision, bro. You blocked my vision. Kill yourself. Kill yourself.
You blocked my vision! You blocked my vision!
Bro, I'm not
No.
kill yourself.
Oh man, I don't. Ah. Oh yes, let's go. Let's go.
Where are you? Kill yourself.
I like to drink people's toes.
Oh.
No! I couldn't make the jump.
I saw the game as
I
ended
have-
and I knew you died.
Okay, we're doing hard mode again because hard mode is
You
fun.
blocked me.
Ah, lag! Stop lagging!
No, someone's already in hard mode.
Just- and they'll just
Yo,
help us.
flip.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, they'll help us. What do you think they'll do? Fart? You can't
Escape
fart
that
in this
fast.
game.
Hide your house.
I got this one.
I got it.
Get
I
up
was the one that
here.
got it.
Nah, I got it. Alright. Oh no! Oh no!
Bro, some freaking.
Oh my god.
Your copy
My
and paste.
lag is gonna kill me.
Hard is hard.
Alright, hard is
Oh.
hard. Wow, that's an
Why did that guy
amazing
go all the way
idea.
across? Bro, that guy went all the way across and died.
That girl dropped it and died. Yodeling.
Why are you guys playing Flood Escape, bro?
The OG game.
Because it's OG and cool.
It's a good game. That's why.
Hey guys, who wants to play Mimic?
Not right now. I think that is good.
Well,
Lord.
after this round, we're playing Mimic, okay?
Okay. Pro gamer job, no!
Join William and Arsenal then.
You died! You knew!
Bro,
You
I
knew!
sacrificed myself, bro. I sacrificed myself.
How does someone already have 4 kills? In Real Gun Royale, when the match
It's not
just started.
possible to do that without
Alex.
sacrificing someone, alright?
Brother, I lag,
that
kill
jump.
me! Oh my god, my leg!
My leg! My leg!
Abhinav, tell me when you die. Tell me when you die.
The other guy on my
I
team
hate this, I
died.
hate this, I
Tell
hate
me
this, I
when you
hate this,
die.
I hate this, I hate this, I hate this, I hate this, I hate this.
Drugs.
I'm definitely making this one.
I'm always being targeted by people always in the corners! They're all camping! What?
Well, I just joined.
I did it!
How dumb. Server's done.
Alright, come on. I gotta go. Oh, I got the first one. Next.
He's cheating!
I know, you know? Shut up, you sound so geek.
Yeah.
Yo, I'm in your lobby, let's go!
I got it. Let's
Cut the D's.
go. I win! I made it! You knew!
Let's do another
Yeah.
one.
Opposite
Bro, I'm
team.
better at Phantom Forces, bro. Like, this game sucks.
Do another one. Let's do another hard. Alright?
Come on.
I'm so
Yeah, we're
good.
doing another
This time
hard.
I'm not going for
I made it.
I just shot you.
I made it because I'm cool at this game.
Phantom Forces. This is
Bro, there's one
weird.
part that you had to sacrifice someone. Bro, there's one part that you had to sacrifice someone, so I sacrificed myself, bro.
How did I shoot you with the wind indicator when you were mid-air, bro? What, that far away, bro? What the hell?
Revolver midair.
Oh shoot!
Some guy shot me.
I fell.
I have a wind indicator.
I'm gonna
that
shoot
is
your balls.
So bad. So
Could I put
Alright.
cut off my.
No! I missed it! I missed it!
I'm
No!
stuck on it.
You died?
Yeah, bro, mama.
That one's impossible.
No!
That one was impossible.
Come on, let's go.
That one's impossible.
It's not impossible.
What?
It's possible. I've done it before.
Bro, I
Backstab you, bro.
There's a secret part they have to go through. I tried to get onto it, but then I failed.
Forces
I
in
died. I
one
went
day,
too
bro.
high. I got too high.
I know. Too high on drugs?
No.
No.
No,
Just
man,
I got
yo.
green off.
On the platform.
You're cheating, bro. Oh, I thought you killed me.
No.
I thought you killed me. You're cheating, bro.
It's actually your
You're
mom.
cheating. You're cheating.
Ah!
How?
There's one person left. They should
think-
die soon.
Yeah.
My
BTS Awakening.
Oh, he's still alive. He's gonna
BTS.
be.
BTS on tour again?
Bro, he's
He's on tour?
You're cheating.
I had a sniper. Shut up.
That's not on my head, dude. That was like at my stomach.
You failed.
Ping.
Life.
Bro,
Ping.
I have 60 ping, bro. I have 0 ping in
Bro.
Fortnite, though.
I have like a hundred
Cheating.
somehow.
Fortnite. How's this
Fortnite?
BTS? How's
Fortnite.
BTS Awakening?
Fortnite and
winning?
PTSD.
BTS Awakening?
I have BTSD. BTSD.
PTSD. PTSD.
PTSD.
We have
When
PTSD.
BTS gives you PTSD. Oh my god, guys.
But my hit is
PTSD's
gone. My
nuts.
sensitivity's too high
Oh,
for
Bro, hand cannon is so OP.
BTSD's nuts.
I love it.
Whoa.
So easy. Oh my god, it's me, man!
Bro, it's right the flood.
Yeah.
BTS Awakening.
This man is dead.
BTS Awakening. You better get it.
BTS
is more.
Awakening,
What the-
you're dead.
What the?
I'm going
Okay.
4027.
Wait, why are you glitching?
Bro,
God,
your username is
Okay, he
2021.
died. He died.
No,
He
he
died.
glitched out. He glitched out, bro.
But he died. He died. He died.
Bro, it's just so gay.
Bro, bro, if BTS Awakening actually won.
BTS. Imagine liking BTS.
Imagine having BTS.
BTS, more like Bangalore toilet service.
The hell?
What the hell?
Bangalore toilet service!
Bangalore toilet service.
Ow, somebody make me.
Know about
Yes.
rolling down in the
Down
deep.
in the deep.
Got this one?
When you poop your numb.
When you poop on your nuts.
When your ball go crush.
When your nuts
E.
crushed.
When you. Oh wait, I don't have my thing on. I just realized
Bro,
that.
BTS.
Lord loves George.
the
Some
other
guy
one
said his name is Lord loves George.
Yo,
All
white
players
power,
need to
bro.
escape. Get in.
Lord loves George. I believe it.
Georgie Pig.
Alright, guys,
More like
I think we should
Jorge
do it.
Pig.
Pig.
Oh my god, I made that jump. Let's go. Get on. No.
Oh, bye.
Made it on there. No.
Nah.
I died.
Bye, Albanov.
Okay, let's play the mimic now.
No.
No, I'm playing Phantom Forces, bro.
Yeah, I've always been
Fine.
Phantom Forces.
I'm ranked
Fine, I'm
47 now.
Hey.
After a few rounds of Flood Escape and Phantom Forces, we're playing the mimic.
Go, I made it.
Okay.
I'm ready.
I just stole this guy's Scar L. Dude, my MP7
Wait.
has no recoil. That's why it's so good.
I like the recoil.
Bro, I get 4 KD every round I play.
I'm
Oh my
better.
god. This guy's using a freaking. This guy's using a Scar
Bro,
L
this
with
person
no
pushed me off.
attachments on it,
What
bro.
the hell? This guy just pushed me off.
I thought someone said he flipped you off.
I don't like this map.
This kid pushed me off and killed
The farm map
me.
sucks.
Abinov, get in!
No, just have to shoot that guy.
Abinov, get in hard!
Out of a crate somehow.
I'm trying to get in. I got dash.
By the way,
Ow,
wall
yeah.
bangs are overpowered, so if you know where someone is, just go behind cover and
You guys
just
want
keep
me
on
to-
shooting.
We can do
Some
this
guy
Abinov,
shot-
unless you throw. If you don't throw, we can do it if you want.
Ah, yes, my 5K.
You spin me round and round,
Okay, chainsaw
baby,
grip.
right
Oh.
round, right round.
Shut up, bro. You got the cooking squad in the.
Bro, there's a level 115
Bro,
and he has 72 kills.
Hey, Abhinav, bro, Abhinav, you didn't get Willy Wonka. You got the cooking thing. I don't know.
No! Abinov, you feel!
Right, Abhinav? Right, Abhinav?
When girls play CS:GO. Woo!
Right, Abhinav?
I'm here.
Bro, this
Dude, 7 KDR right there, bro.
I'm doing medium, Abinov, because you're
Abhinav,
not good enough.
Abhinav. Dude, Abhinav didn't get Willy Wonka. Like, who would have expected that?
Wow!
Abhinav, I'm doing medium with these random kids now. Bye bye. It's already started.
Bro, Abhinav, like,
Because I have reliable
dude,
teammates.
we got Violet, Beauregard. I'm not sure, I forgot the name.
Where are my teammates?
Aw, man, now I have a 3.5
Dude, I'm
KDR
waiting
now,
for you
bro.
guys
This
to
sucks.
flood escape.
Dude, I think Abhinav's so sad that he won't respond because he didn't get Willy Wonka.
Wow, so cute.
Well, to be expected, he's not very good at singing, so I know. Hey, Abhinav, you there, bro? Nah, he's dead.
You go back to the Arsenal.
What happened to Abhinav?
Oh, actually, what happened? What happened?
He was
Why?
too. He was too mad that he didn't get Willy Wonka.
I'm so sad, like I didn't get Willy Wonka.
Am I playing against robots or something, bro? Like,
When you don't get
Frick.
Willy Wonka.
Some guy shot a freaking. Oh, never mind. I got
E
nice.
slash dance. Let's go. E slash dance.
no.
I know what to do on this one. Never mind. I can't reach
What is that, man? Why
My
is that guy
parents-
just?
my mom is forcing me to talk with her college friends. That's why I was gone for a few minutes.
Lord, imagine.
Oh, and your
No.
mom?
I was
Your mom went to college, bro?
Imagine.
like, no. Okay, what are we playing now?
You didn't even get Willy Wonka. You suck.
Yeah, bro, you're
I
so
know.
gay. Oh my god. Look at you.
No.
She got rolled.
Kid pushed me off!
Bro, I got a stage crew.
This kid.
Yeah, I know. Okay,
Name,
let's
bro.
go. Come on, let's start. Let's do this.
Bro.
Let's do
Abhinav, like the
medium.
disrespect, bro. They misspelled
Abhinav,
my
do
last
medium.
name.
We're doing medium, Abhinav.
Hey,
Alright?
Abhinav.
Why?
Because
Abhinav.
hard's too hard
Fine.
if you're
Hey,
not.
Abhinav.
Because you're too
Bro,
bad to do
they
hard.
misspelled my last name, bro. Like, how
Fine.
disrespectful is that?
I know.
You were killed by the late
How-
foul
They
ball.
misspelled my last name.
Because I don't know.
Jupiter?
that.
Jupiter.
No, I changed
Booper.
my
Booper.
Well, like
Change
Jupiter.
my-
4 point, I had a 4.75
No,
I
kg.
changed my
Jupiter.
display name back.
That's like so gay. Imagine changing your display name back.
Yeah, Jupiter is the best.
Yeah, Booper was like 2,000 times better.
Than Jupiter.
I'm not going to get the
Imagine-
boy.
Imagine naming yourself Jupiter. What the?
I know, like, bro, that sounds like so weird and gay.
Oh,
Yeah,
Yeah.
you're
Who the
nowhere
hell
near
names
the
yourself
real
after-
Jupiter.
Who the hell names yourself after a planet? Explain.
Yeah,
Pluto.
Dumb.
Or
Pluto.
a Roman god.
This guy's
Or a
name is
Roman god.
Pluto.
Mush.
Imagine naming yourself after a Roman god.
Yeah, imagine. Couldn't be me, bro.
Yeah, bro. I got that so good.
Dude, I've only been using my
inventing.
MP7 for like a
Inventing.
few days,
I'm
and
like,
I have 1K kills on it.
Bro, I'm venting.
Huh? You said what now? 1K. Boy, what the hell, boy?
Yeah, I guess I'm just too
Okay.
good at this game at this point.
This
Oh, it's
way.
kind of sad.
Let's go.
Follow me.
It's
cousin.
this way.
Hey, William, if you like
No,
Phantom Forces,
let's go.
hey William, if you like Phantom Forces, you should try
yeah.
Warzone, Call of Duty Warzone.
I know. I play that.
My K7. I just stole this guy's gun and I'm just dominating. Why is there a guy above us? We're all just focusing on one dude.
Shut up, it's okay.
Somebody
Tommy gun.
jumped on my head and killed me.
LOL.
How do we get up there?
Imagine dying from someone jumping on your head. Oh, that's so gay.
Bro, bro, this kid's so gay, but like,
Let's play the mimic
Nah, nah.
shut up, Gabinov.
Yeah, gaping off.
soon. Okay.
5 minutes, maybe.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, and yeah, I said in a bit.
No, you didn't. Shut up.
Shut up, nerd.
Yeah, bro, shut up.
No, your
Remember
mom.
last time we were playing Mimic, I started using my funny mic.
Bro, we don't care. Shut
Hey,
up.
It's just his normal
Oh
mic, bro.
my
My funny
God.
mic?
Oh, this is literal normal
The
mic.
person with me just died.
Who's
of
using
lactose
a 12?
and
It's mine now.
lactose intolerance.
Bro, imagine
Let's
using
go
it.
this way.
Lactose intolerant.
Lactose.
Yeah.
Lactose.
I don't have toes.
Lactose.
Dude, someone said lactose intolerant.
Boy, what the hell, bro?
Intolerant.
Like
Intolerant.
bone apple tea.
No! Lag!
No!
I hate
no,
lag.
no! I lose!
I lose. You lose it. You lose. Commando. Hey, Boopiter, get over here, Boopiter.
I'm doing one.
Bro, I'm doing on. Are you?
I'm just
easy mode
stealing
like a
everybody's
nerd?
guns, bro.
I'm a meme.
Hey, Abhinav, would you rather be able to survive any gunshot or any poop?
Any poop?
Or have the ability to eat poop and not die? And get parasites.
I would choose bullets.
Dude, like, let me review that the list again. They spelled my name with an A instead of an E, bro.
Yari.
Yari.
Jerry.
No, it's my last name.
Oh,
Oh, look at
Zong.
He's in the cook ensemble. Oh my gosh, cringe, bro, cringe. But Abby got Violet Beauregard.
What?
Who's
Violet
Charlie?
Beer.
Yeah.
I got it. I escaped.
You know that person that hangs out with Olivia all the time?
Yeah, I
Abhinav,
know.
I escaped.
How did
Yeah,
they
you-
get
Video is the only like like Discord.
Dude, I wanted to do props instead of
your life? Be good.
I'm doing medium.
join me in Mimic, guys.
Oh, I thought you just shut up real quick.
After this one,
What do you mean?
I'm bored of Blood Escape.
only gay.
It's too much lag. Let's play Mimoik. It'll be more fun because Jackson won't carry us. We can have the full experience.
Okay, time for the minute, guys. So that makes lettuce here first play. Let's go.